Alright guys, John McDevitt here with two different batteries. We're looking at a stock battery and Antigravity's AG-801 8-cell battery. This new battery is for our Yamaha Zuma project. If you don't know, we went to a dealer, Dro Sports, and we had him put a 155 kit in a Zuma 125. So we bumped that up, thus needing a newer, more powerful battery to get that thing rolling. So we reached out to Antigravity, and they sent us a battery that is virtually the same size, but differs from stock in every single way other than that. So we're looking at 6 amp hours for stock versus the new Antigravity that's 9 amp hours. This is 100 cold cranking amps, and this is now 240 cold cranking amps. So performance-wise, big gains, big gains. So let's see if it cuts weight or if weight's about the same. They are virtually the exact same size. So we're looking at, with the stock battery, a little over 3 pounds, and Antigravity, there you go, 1.7. So it beats stock in every single way. More performance, less weight. So let's go stick it in there and see how the bike starts up. All right, so the battery's in, easy peasy. Let's see if it works. Starts up just like it's a 125. There you go.